Hey guys, Sean from Talkin' Shop 716 here. Today we have got this 2013 Ford F-150. We've got a pretty tight steering concern. Customer describes it as a lack of power steering, but it just has these spots where it's really stiff. You can get through it and then it's fine, but pretty hard to steer this guy from left to right. It's a pretty common problem in well, not just the F-150s, but a lot of these half-ton trucks. Do them in the F-150, Dodge Ram, Chevy Silverado. The intermediate steering shaft has a couple knuckles on it, a couple U-joints. The Teflon blows out of those U-joints, lets water get into where the needle bearings are. They tend to rust up and seize, and that's where you get that really tight turn from. So I'm gonna take you under the hood and show you what we're looking at, what needs to be replaced. All right, we've got the new steering shaft in, so we're going to do a little post-repair test drive here. Already I can tell, I mean, the steering is centering back to normal. It is smooth as butter. You could see that that top joint was just solid. I couldn't move it at all with my bare hands. And now we can just spin this really freely. So some people think that this repair, you know, you end up getting into the electronic power steering. You think you got a rack failure, something like that. And that's not the case. It's that U-joint typically starts to bind. It starts intermittent, gets a little hard, loosens up. But just after time, that rust starts to form on those needle bearings, and it really locks the steering up tight. So hope this video helps somebody.